happy Wednesday. Got my little groove on this morning because I got up, had coffee, I grabbed some music for my video, and there is nothing like music for me to get me going. So I am excited to decorate my hutch. I've been playing with ideas, as I told you yesterday, and I think I'm really gonna like how this turned out. So let me begin with sharing that I moved my hutch over onto this wall, the feature wall, the rustic shiplap feature wall. And I love how the whites and the browns play off each other. It's perfect. And not only that, we have lighting, let there be light. And I have removed 2 shelves. So I removed one there and one there. And I will tell you that if you have a hutch with lots of shelving and you just feel like your decor is looking cluttered, it's not really doing much for you, remove some shelves. And this is probably my second, possibly third time sharing this with you, that just by adding lighting and removing a few shelves, when my daughters all came over, they literally thought this was an entirely new piece of furniture. So it's kind of fun that when you have a furniture piece like this, you have options. You can have lighting on, you can have it off. You can have lots of shelves, you can remove a few shelves. So, just keep that in mind when you are decorating your shelves or hutches or cabinets, whatever. It really does make a difference. And I think you will see that in today's video. So without further ado, let's get started and let's get some music. Up top, we're gonna start. We're gonna add our focal point and then a little something here, a little something there. Let's do it. Remember, I'm always preaching to the choir that lighting is key. So up top, I have my cage lamps that I got at Home Goods years ago, and they pretty much stay on 24/7. They do. And then when I get my decor up here, it sort of just backlights or accentuates that decor. So let's add a rustic basket. I think I got this at Hobby Lobby. I'm just leaning it. So I place this directly in the center, and now I'm gonna add 3 cutting boards because it's what I love. Amazon. I can't let you down. Oh, you got your bags packed. That's when I gotta get you back. I guess it takes a while to trust me. You would know that better than the rest. But if you're looking for some company, I can pass all of your tests. Don't be hasty, pretty mama, I can't let you down. I do love my cutting boards, what can I say? Now let's add a cake stand with a little topiary. Green is hot again this year, so green plants, green in all shades. So we're gonna be adding a lot of green to this. We're going in with this cake stand that I found at Home Goods. It's rustic, it's got beaded detail right here. It's beautiful, love it. On the street, I'm just smiling big at everybody. 2 more blocks and I'll be at your door. Overcome, brother, nothing keeps me melancholy. Spread my wings, so damn ready to soar. Okay, next we're gonna go in with this rustic, beautiful bowl that I found on Amazon, and we're gonna add some eucalyptus to it. So you guys, I found this eucalyptus on Amazon and it is beautiful. It's very realistic looking, bendable, very easy to work with, and it comes with a lot. I'm only using 3 stems, and you can see it yields a big, full look. So I will link everything below, but I'm an absolute huge fan of this eucalyptus. Okay, now that we got the top done and looking cute, we can move on. Now you guys know I love black and white. I'm going in with my marble cutting board. I have 2 of them. We're gonna place this down below. Going in with 2 bookends, I like to call these my little architectural details. Okay, I'm loving how it's looking. And now I'm gonna go in with 2 of these up top, and I'm going to be bringing the eucalyptus down and adding a few eucalyptus picks in each pot. Okay, next I found these thrifting. This says number 1, number 2, number 3. I'm just gonna set them right there. Now I'm going to be going in with faux artichokes. I love decorating with these. In fact, you're going to be seeing them quite a bit. But I'm going to set one in a candle holder like this. Going in with another picture from Hobby Lobby. Okay, Again, my Amazon Eucalyptus love. I'm gonna go in with these little rustic pots. I think these were Hobby Lobby. And I just bent this and we're sticking this in the pot. We've just made 2 little eucalyptus topiaries. Now, right here, I used my little bookends that I call my little architectural pieces. But over here, I'm gonna go in with the black. I got these both on Amazon.
Cigarettes and bitter wine, just some kids underneath that moonlight, getting closer. Yeah, that was back when I could call you mine, holding hands, falling into the riptide, over and over. Yeah, we were taking off always around it, wasting our days for nothing, singing I love you, with you riding shotgun in my car. Do you remember all of the nights we spent alone? When we were burning the embers, waiting for the sunrise in the morning to bring us home. You know that I do.
There's only one thing left to do, and that's to add this rustic stool that I thrifted. And I'm gonna place it in the corner right there with my olive tree from Hobby Lobby. Why? I just wanna add a little texture. All right, sweet friends, I hope you enjoyed my video for today. And it just goes to show that lighting is key. And also too, if you separate your shelves, it sort of doesn't look as cluttered in my opinion, but you guys know I'm a maximalist, so take it for what it's worth. I will say that I definitely have struggled in this house. The room is just all crammed together in one. And so when I had all those little shelves, it just felt like too much. So this way, it feels more open to me and I'm happier with it. I want to share one more thing. If you like something you do decorating wise in your house, take a picture of it, print it out, and put it in a little book. Because you know how we're always changing our stuff out. And sometimes we think, oh my gosh, wait, how did I have that decorated back when, you know? And you want to replicate it, but you can't remember. If you take a picture of it and print it out, put it in a little book, you'll always have something to kind of refer back to. And I have to say, for me, I love this look. I am loving it. So this is going to be going in my book. We'll see you guys back here Friday. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And I'll see you then. Love you. Bye, guys.